Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Sophisticated Lady, and this is my channel, and I do fragrance reviews. If this is not your first time, then welcome back. If you could, first timers, please like and subscribe. It's free, costs you nothing, and I would appreciate it. So today we're going to be talking about the essential oil lavender. So if you're interested in that, then continue to watch. Hey guys, and thank you for continuing to watch. So this was a requested video by a YouTuber by the name of Derek C. Williams. So he has some good commentary over there about the world and what we're going through. The current status of our situation is very interesting. So go over there and check him out. So you guys, lavender oil is distilled. The flower bud, the plant, is distilled and captures the steam and the condensation into a liquid. Few ingredients. So you need 1.5 cup olive oil, 7 vitamin E oil capsules, 1.5 to 2 cups of lavender buds or flowers. Of course, you also need a distiller. Lavender is one of the most popular and versatile essential oils used in aromatherapy. It's distilled from the plant Lavandula angustifolia. It's grown in Northern America and the Mediterranean mountains. So some benefits of this oil: it helps with relaxation and is believed to treat anxiety, fungal infections, allergies, depression, insomnia, eczema, eczema on your skin, nausea, and menstrual cramps. So as you can see, lavender has a lot of benefits and a lot of healing properties. Lavender also is an anti-inflammatory. You put it on burns, sunburn, and it has a soothing effect. I also use it when I'm ready to do facials for my clients. So I just put a few drops in my hand and put it over their nose and tell them to breathe in 3 times, and it helps them to relax and prepare for their facial, relaxing facial. So I also wanted to tell you the main reason that I am here to talk to you is to talk about how lavender is used in fragrances. So lavender is mainly used in more barbershop like masculine fragrances, scents that have strong seductive attributes. It's really a great note, but that's not to say it isn't used in perfumes for women. So lavender fragrances are generally very pleasant and easy fragrances to wear. Overall, the scent of lavender is more masculine than feminine, but it is in female fragrances. But that's not to say that I don't wear it, because sometimes I put it on my, here's some lavender. I put it on my wrist, just a little bit, and yeah, it has a calming effect, but it's kind of strong. You have to get used to it, you know. I love the way that it relaxes me and makes me feel, relieves anxiety and different things like that. It's not like a sweet scent or anything that you'd be like, oh my God, it smells so good. But that's not what lavender is. Lavender, it has medicinal properties. So if you can imagine smelling a little bit like medicine and a little bit like a plant flower, something along those lines. But it's worth it to get it and just see how it works for your body. So in this video, I'm gonna show you quite a few fragrances that have lavender in them, and I hope you enjoy this video because I worked hard on it. All right, thank you so much, and I appreciate you for watching. That the scent of lavender is good for the summer, it's good for the winter. It is really a good helpmate for your nose. You know, if you need something to clear you up and to make you feel better and different things like that, I really do believe that it helps me and anybody else. I know the products that I use, they have so much lavender, different little light lavender scents in it, and this is a big company that uses, a well-known company that uses it. So you would be surprised how many skincare conglomerates use it. So just saying all that to say that it is a really good product, natural product. Hope you enjoy this video because I worked hard on it. All right, thank you so much, and I appreciate you for watching.